Are you still using Elevenlabs for your text-to-speech needs? You might be missing out on something big. In today's video, I'm showing you Google AI Studio's brand new voice generation tool. And guess what? It's 100% free, with unlimited usage. Let's dive in.
This isn't just another voice generator. This tool captures real emotion. For example, laughing, coughing, sniffing, switches between languages, handles multi-speaker dialogue, and it's built for creators, podcasters, educators, and storytellers who want high-quality voiceovers without spending money.
And trust me, you won't believe how I made this video lip sync perfectly with the generated voice.
This is how the site is. I'm going to drop the link to get access to this site in the description box of this video. So the very first thing we need to do, we need to run some settings before we be able to use it, in order for us to have an actual result of what we want at the end of this video. So the very first thing you need to do, just to come here and change the model, right? So we have Gemini 2.5, all of those stuff like that. So the more recommendable one is Gemini 2.5 Pro. You click on this one. So after choosing this one, we have options here. So we are going to go with native speech generation. So after that, you click here. The first thing we are going to do after that is to go on this mode. Firstly, we are going to use a single speaker audio, right? This multiple speaker audio is when you have, maybe you are having a podcast. But first of all, let's test this one. So you click on this model. It all depends on you. So I'm not going to touch anything there. So you come here and choose different voices. Let's play and see.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Got a project in mind? What do you want to explore?
I think I'll just go with this voice, Sharon, right?
What do you want to explore?
I'll just click on it because that's the one I'm going with. So I'll just click here to close it. After that, I'm going to click here to paste my prompt. My prompt is actually long, but I don't think we are going to generate that long video. Let's click on run and wait for the magic, guys. So as you all can see, our voice has been generated. Let's play it and see.
Sometimes I just sit down, dey ask myself, how we take reach here? You tell me say you love me, but why you paying like this? Me wey dey always laugh when your name pop up on my phone.
Guys, can you just see this, right? Let's use the same text and go to Elevenlabs and let's see what we are going to get, if it's going to be realistic as the one that Google Studio gave us. So guys, I've actually successfully pasted the prompt. So let's click here to choose our preferred voice. I'm going to go with this Adam voice. Let's go and see. So I'll just click here to generate speech. Here is the twist, guys. I actually choose it to be generating two voices at a time so that I can go with the preferred one. So let's just play the voices so that you see it yourself.
Sometimes I just sit down, they ask myself, you tell me say you love me, but why pain like this? Me way they always laugh when your name pop up from my phone.
That's the first voice. So it's the same text but two different voices. Let's look at this one.
Sometimes I just sit down, they ask myself, pauses, voice soft, you tell me say you love me, but why pain like this? Chuckles, sadly. Me way they always laugh when your name pop up from my phone.
Let's go back to our text to speech, guys. Like, you are the one to vote because it's too real to be truth. So that one was for single voice. So if you want to have a multiple speaker talking, so you come here and choose multi-speaker audio, and when you choose that, you can choose to name your speaker, all of those stuff like that. Let's say I name the first person Affected so that you will actually know. Then the second person, let's say I name him or her Digital. Okay, so after naming that, you'll be able to come here and pick voices. What voice do you want the first person? Let's go with the voice. What voice do you want the second person? You can go with those, and when you are done all of those stuff like that, you just make sure you cross check everything and you just click here to close it. So you come here, let's say I don't even know what to add, but let's just say I wouldn't want a pigeon. Okay, let's just go with anything, guys, because if I want to type it, it's actually going to take time. So let me add dialogue of what Afitech, sorry, digital would say it, right? Because we actually choose to name our speaker. That's what the second person will say. So if I click here to add dialogue, I'm going to add what Afitech is going to say again. So when you do that, you just click here to run it. Let's wait for that to come up, guys. Guys, you won't believe this. We actually choose a different voices for this, right? So let's play the first one where Afitech has to speak, right? This is Afitech's text. This is what Afitech has to say, and this is what digital have to say. Let's play it and see. Oh my god.
Me we do always laugh when your name pop up for my phone. Now, even ringtone they give me anxiety. You tell me say you love me, but why you peeing like this? You tell me say you love me, but why you peeing like this?
Okay, it happens that I keep on repeating the same text, but have you seen how natural and realistic this sound?
But wait, this is where most people get stuck. They love the voice, but they can't figure out how to download it. That's where the magic happens next.
You see these three dots here, you click on those three dots. So when you click on those three dots, you're going to see download. See this download button here, click on this download button to download it. Okay, wait until you see the sweetest part of those two. But first of all, I type those and tell ChatGPT that I want it to change this text to German and French. So these are the translation it gave me, blah blah blah, and I've already copied it. So we are just going to head straight back to this our app here, and when I come here, let me choose the voice I'm going to use and paste the first prompt, which is from Germany. Okay, let's click here to test run the voice. You won't believe what the outcome will be.
Hallo, mein Name ist Affitech Digitals. Willkommen auf meinem Kanal. Heute zeige ich dir, wie du mit KI-Text in eine realistische Stimme verwandeln kannst.
Guys, okay, I don't want to shout, guys. This is for, oh my god, like, is the voice Chineke? Like, I'm not just hyping this tool, guys. This tool is good. Let's give it the credit. Okay, let's look at the one for French. Okay,
Salut, je m'appelle Affitech Digitals. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Aujourd'hui, je vais te montrer comment utiliser l'IA pour transformer un texte en une voix réaliste.
hey guys, this is so nice. Okay, let's paste the English part of this text. This tool is so amazing.
Hi, my name is Affitech Digitals. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm showing you how to use AI to turn text into a realistic voice.
I'm still going to go back to ChatGPT. This time around, I want to tell ChatGPT this text to India. Guys, I don't know. Okay, this is the India version of the text. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy it. I'm still going to use the same voice.
मेरा नाम है एफिटेक डिजिटल्स और आपका मेरी चैनल में स्वागत है। आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि कैसे आप AI की मदद
How you can be using this text to generate voices for different languages, different countries, and use it on your video.
You won't believe this. This entire part of the video is actually synced using the voice I just generated. Let me know in the comments if you even noticed.
Need to make this voice lip sync with the already animated avatar. I'll click here and I'll click on video lip sync, right? So this is the avatar I'm going to use. So you can paste your script here to generate a voice, but for the purpose of this tutorial we have a voice already. So I'll just click on this voice, and when I click on that, I'm going to come to my voice, create a new voice. If you want to record your own voice, you click here to record. If you want to import from photos, you click here. If you want to import from files, you click here. And for me, I want to import from files. Okay, so when I come here, I just need to come right here this one. I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. So it's not going to take all the voices, but then we are going to continue from here. Okay, let's play and see.
Wait, this voice is not human.
Here, so I'll just click here to confirm. So this is the only thing we can do since I'm using the free version. Okay, so I'll just click here, continue. Click here to change the name. Let's just say Afi, anything, guys. You can just use anything right here, so that it will help me to always know that this is the voice I generated. Okay, so let's wait for that. So okay, let me click here, and when I click here, I'm just gonna go ahead
Welcome to Dream.
and click on confirm. Just go ahead and click here to animate it. So let's wait for that to happen. Can you see? So as you can see, we have successfully downloaded the video, right? So I'm just going to play this video for you guys to see. Oh my god. So let's play it and see.
And pay for an AI voice generator, Google just dropped something that could replace Elevenlabs, and it's 100.
Can you see this, guys? But let's just first of all download. Ooh, what did I click on? Let's just first of all download the video, guys. Okay, it has been saved to our album. As simple as that.
So now you know how to generate AI voices with Google TTS, choose voices from India, France, Germany, and more, download your audio the secret way, and sync it perfectly with your own videos. This tool is free, powerful, and possibly better than Elevenlabs if you're just starting out. So go try it. And if you want more AI tools that'll save you time and boost your content,
please like and subscribe to this channel. If there's any topic you want me to make a video on, you drop that in the comment section. Bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video.